A leader's success is measured not just by individual performance, but by the effectiveness of their team. A high-performing team is one that is motivated, aligned with a shared vision, and able to collaborate effectively. Successful leaders foster teamwork, manage conflicts constructively, and delegate tasks strategically. Creating a team that thrives requires trust, communication, and transparent leadership. This session explores how to motivate teams, delegate responsibilities, resolve conflicts, and build a collaborative work environment that drives success. Objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how to motivate and engage teams for peak performance, effective delegation strategies to optimize productivity, how to manage conflict and foster a collaborative team culture, motivating and engaging teams for performance. A team performs best when its members feel valued, motivated, and connected to a shared purpose. Leaders must understand what drives individual and collective motivation to sustain high performance. Theories of team motivation. Understanding what motivates people helps leaders design strategies that keep their teams engaged and productive. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Employees are motivated when their basic needs, security, belonging, and recognition, are met. Hertzberg's two-factor theory. Job satisfaction comes from meaningful work, growth opportunities, and recognition. Self-determination theory. Employees perform better when they feel autonomy, competence, and connection. Practical ways to motivate teams. Set a clear vision and goals so employees understand their impact. Recognize achievements to reinforce positive behavior. Provide growth opportunities through training and mentorship. Encourage autonomy by allowing employees to take ownership of projects. Example: a team that understands how their work contributes to the company's mission will be more engaged than one simply completing tasks. Effective delegation for team efficiency. Many leaders struggle with delegation because they fear losing control or believe they can complete tasks more efficiently. Effective delegation empowers employees, improves productivity, and allows leaders to focus on high-priority tasks. Why delegation is important. Prevents leader burnout by distributing the workload, develops team members by allowing them to build new skills, strengthens trust and accountability within the team. How to delegate effectively. Assign tasks based on strengths and skills. Provide clear instructions and expectations. Trust employees and avoid micromanaging. Offer support, but allow for independent decision-making. Example: a project manager delegating report writing to a detail-oriented team member frees up time for strategic planning. Managing conflict and fostering collaboration. Conflict in teams is natural, and when managed well, can lead to innovation and stronger relationships. Leaders must learn how to turn disagreements into productive discussions, rather than allowing them to damage team dynamics. Common causes of team conflicts: poor communication or misunderstandings, competing priorities and unclear roles, personality clashes or differing work styles, conflict resolution strategies. Encourage open dialogue, create a safe space for team members to voice concerns, address conflicts early, prevent small disagreements from escalating, focus on solutions, shift discussions from blame to constructive problem-solving, establish team norms, set expectations for respectful communication and collaboration. Example: a leader noticing tension between two employees can schedule a private conversation to understand their perspectives and guide them toward resolution. Creating a collaborative team culture. A team that works well together is more creative, resilient, and productive. Leaders play a key role in fostering collaboration through communication, trust, and shared goals. Ways to build collaboration. Encourage team brainstorming sessions for problem solving, promote peer recognition to build camaraderie, organize cross-functional projects to increase teamwork. Lead by example by being approachable and inclusive. Example: Google fosters collaboration through team huddles, open discussions, and peer learning opportunities.